Well, hi everyone. It was another beautiful Monday, third Monday in a row. We've had beautiful weather out there with highs in the 50s. Don't get fooled. Winter is not over. And by this map, you can definitely tell winter is not over because we have a lot of winter storm watches and warnings, advisories out. It's all to the north of us for the most part, but that doesn't mean we're going to avoid all of the wintry weather this week. This is going to happen later on, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Here's kind of a scenario what's going to be happening over the next couple of days. That snow is really going to be heavy here through South Dakota, Minnesota. Probably a foot to 2 feet of snow will be possible or even likely in some of those areas around Minneapolis. So they're going to take it pretty seriously. We're going to see some snow in northern Iowa. Then the real issue for our viewing area, the northern part of the viewing area, is icing is a possibility. So freezing rain, maybe some sleet in there, and also a little bit of snow. But this is mostly going to be north of, say, Highway 30 is where the worst of it is expected to be. So as far as your threat forecast here, your winter threat forecast, no big issues on Tuesday. There will be some snow showers north of Highway 20, but not a real issue for central Iowa. On Wednesday, it starts to get a little bit icy, perhaps, especially the north of Highway 30, and that is going to be with mostly icing there. And then we go to Thursday morning. We still have a little bit of light precipitation in the morning hours that could cause some problems. Break it down here hour by hour. There are the snow showers tomorrow, especially in the afternoon here. Mason City could see maybe an inch or so of snow, but mostly that's on the light side. Looking pretty quiet here as we go into Wednesday morning, but things start to get going pretty quickly after that. The rain develops to the south, the snow develops to the north, and all of this is going to fill in during the day on Wednesday. So by noon, we probably have precipitation out there pretty quickly developing. Rain to the south, again, a mix to the north and a little bit of snow further north than that. It really gets heavier though going into Wednesday, late afternoon, Wednesday night, and there'll probably be two waves of precipitation. This is one wave going through, and then it probably gets stronger again as another upper level wave comes through. This is Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and this will be the last of it, but this could be some pretty substantial freezing rain in parts of northern Iowa, followed by a little bit of snow there, maybe in Fort Dodge. So a lot going on Wednesday and Thursday. For tonight, just breezy and cooler, but not bad. A low near 22 degrees. For your Tuesday, some sunshine to the south. A decent day, though, by February standards. High around 42 degrees here in Des Moines. Now looking at your 10-day forecast, sponsored by Holt Plumbing and Heating. It's almost like last week all over again. We got our storm system Wednesday, Thursday. We've got a cold day on Friday, starting at 6 degrees, getting up to maybe 23. There will be a few snow showers possible Friday. Doesn't look like much, but there might be some flurries or snow showers in the air. And then, just like the last couple of weeks, we bounce up here for the weekend, looking good. And next week right now looks pretty quiet and pretty mild, but there is a chance of rain on Monday.